Hello, friends. Greetings from Soprano Management Spices. I'm Daya here once again with my new video. Last time I had discussed some important the importance and advantage of effective English communication. This time I have decided to speak about my first book on spoken English. Before I actually speak about my book, I'd like to give some tips which I usually give to my students. First and foremost, whenever if you want to speak good English, please do not refer any dictionary which contains English words and the meaning is in your native language, which is a crime. You will never ever be able to speak good English. So always refer an English to English dictionary. That's the first point and first advice I would say. Second point is, don't watch English news like BBC or even NDTV or whatever it is. Whenever you want to start learning to speak good English, I would advise you to watch Discovery Channel or National Geographic special, which is in the documentary form. Don't concentrate on the conversation or discussion part, but concentrate on the documentary portion, which is very good, in fact, very easy. Accent or pronunciation is very clear, very easy to understand, and you will get to learn a lot of good things from that. Especially the grammar part is also very good over there. Thirdly, please go through some simple English newspapers, okay, like Types and FTR, and avoid magazines. And fourth point is, whenever you are in a group, so try to initiate the discussion in English. Don't be scared to make mistakes. If you make mistakes and if somebody corrects you, take it religiously. It's for your own benefit. And try to use some good words, appropriate words. Fifth point is, don't try to imitate anybody. Okay, you follow your own style of speaking. Your accent or your pronunciation should be very very clear, basically. Because these are the points which I usually advise give to my students. Now, you don't have to be stylish also to speak good English. Speak normally. Okay. Now, to be candid, I'm not qualified enough to write a book on spoken English, but I have 25 years of experience with English. I've never had any high-fi English education or coaching, special coaching. In fact, I scored 7.5 in IELTS, and my writing score was 8 out of 9, wherein I have hardly used any high standard words. It's all about the usage of appropriate words. So I've written my book that is called Sanguine Life with English. Sanguine means optimistic, cheerful, and hopeful. Okay. So this book I have written keeping in mind the rural Indian population, and also for those people from non-English speaking countries. And this is volume number 1. I have plans to come out with about 6 to 8 volumes. It all depends on your encouragement. So when you actually start speaking good English, you can expect to grow both professionally and personally. I actually mean it, because I have come across a lot of brilliant students who cannot effectively communicate in English because of lack of confidence or because of lack of practice or whatever you say. So, and exposure, lack of exposure. And my book is completely based on all these requirements. Okay, loaded with plenty of examples, most importantly. And I have not used any standard vocabulary, but I have tried to use very simple words which are very useful daily. Okay, and this book will help any person starting from the age of 8 to any age, especially students like engineers, nurses, even doctors, to write domestic exams or to write IELTS or TOEFL, to go abroad either for jobs or for higher education. And let me share a few more informations about my book. The book is based on the requirements of all category of people and in the most simplest manner, and it is easy to understand. That's very important. My book starts with some motivational quotes which I have prepared, and in between there will be some more motivational quotes, and again followed by some important words which should be used on a regular basis, okay, in your routine. And also there are some words and sentences which should not be used during your regular communication. That is very important. I have come across many people who commit such simple mistakes because of lack of awareness. So I have tried my level best to make it clear to all of them. And I also written, I have given importance to some important words, rather technicalities of some words like to, the, without to and the, only, myself, am, belong, and even. There are some technicalities involved in while using these words. So I have given importance to these words also, and the basic concept of making a sentence in English. I have divided the concept into 4 parts. I mean, rather the process of making a sentence into 4 parts. So I have given that also. And my book contains detailed information about verbs, nouns, adjectives, adverbs, prefixes, suffixes, gender, singular, plural, all these things, compressed forms, usage of various symbols as well as including apostrophe. My book also contains a few opposite words and backup words or supportive words which are like since, during, in spite of, despite, instead of, former, latter, etc. and so on. And but not the least, a small or rather a mini dictionary. I have given detailed explanation of certain words like able, enable, unable, inability, inabilities, disable. There are two meanings of the word disable. So like this, I've given a detailed explanation of certain words. So I'll be explaining about 20 to 30 words in every volume. And some people have the habit of using double past tense, wherein I'll be giving clarification in my next volume, I think. The above all, last but not the least, the price. Keeping in mind the rural population, I have the cost of my book is 125 rupees in India. Also, it's available in various countries. Especially now, the book is right now available on Amazon. Okay, and ultimately, before I conclude, I would say confidence is the key to success. Try your level best, work hard, be patient, and above all, before I close my video, my usual messages: work hard, work to progress, don't chase money, old age is no more childhood, please take care of your parents, stay home, and stay safe. I wish you all the best, and I request you to kindly uh, purchase my book, which is called Sanguine Life with English. Okay, it's available on Amazon. If somebody wants to buy in bulk, you can contact me directly, so we can negotiate. And bye, take care.